Here we'll discuss about deciding the technical stack from the perspective of a software architect and project manager. The process of deciding on a technical stack for a project involves a collaborative effort between the software architect and the project manager. Each role brings a unique perspective to the decision-making process, ensuring that the chosen stack aligns with both technical and project-level considerations. From the software architect's viewpoint, the technical stack decision focuses on factors that impact the overall system architecture, performance, and maintainability. The architect considers aspects such as the architect analyzes the project's functional and non-functional requirements, including performance targets, scalability needs, and security requirements. This analysis helps identify the technologies that best meet these requirements. The architect considers the overall system architecture, including the distribution of components, communication patterns, and data management needs. This helps determine the suitability of different programming languages, frameworks, and middleware. The architect evaluates the maturity and adoption of different technologies, considering their suitability for the project's scope and complexity. They also assess the availability of skilled developers and resources for the chosen stack. The architect considers the long-term maintainability of the chosen stack, including the availability of documentation, community support, and upgrade paths. This ensures that the project can evolve and adapt to future changes. The project manager's perspective focuses on factors that impact project delivery, resource allocation, and budget constraints. The manager considers aspects such as the manager assesses the project's scope, including the number of features, complexity of modules, and delivery deadlines. This helps determine the level of effort required for each technology option. The manager evaluates the skills and experience of the existing team members, identifying any gaps that might require training or external expertise. This ensures that the chosen stack aligns with the team's capabilities. The manager considers the cost of acquiring licenses, training, and maintaining the chosen technology stack. This includes evaluating the availability of open-source alternatives and the potential impact on project costs. The manager assesses the need to integrate with existing systems or dependencies, ensuring that the chosen stack can seamlessly connect and communicate with other components. Now let's compare the key steps in between software architect and project manager. Both the software architect and the project manager share the crucial initial responsibility of understanding the project requirements and assessing the technical feasibility. The core duties of the software architect involve the technical deep dive, identifying, evaluating, and ultimately selecting the candidate technologies and the final technical stack. Following the selection, the architect is solely responsible for documenting the technical decisions made for the system. In contrast, the project manager handles stakeholder interactions, specifically by leading the effort to engage with stakeholders and gather requirements. The architect does not engage with stakeholders or gather requirements. The project manager focuses on the organizational aspects, including developing the project plan and managing the entire project execution, while the architect assesses the technical feasibility and performance. Notably, the project manager is not involved in identifying, evaluating, selecting, or documenting any of the specific technical components. The architect does not develop a project plan or manage project execution. The software architect is primarily concerned with technical feasibility and performance, while the project manager is more focused on business needs, budget, and timeline. There is some overlap between the two roles, as both need to understand the project requirements and assess the technical feasibility. So the call to action would be, first, discuss the implications of the differences between the two approaches. Second, consider how to best collaborate between the software architect and project manager to make informed technical decisions. The answer lies with collaborative decision-making, where the software architect and project manager should work together to evaluate the technical and project-level considerations, considering factors such as they should identify the most critical factors for the project and make informed trade-offs between different technologies based on their relative importance. They should assess the potential risks associated with each technology choice, considering factors such as adoption rates, vendor support, and community engagement. They should document the decision-making process, including the rationale behind technology choices, to facilitate future maintenance and evolution. They should periodically review the chosen stack and its suitability for the project, adapting to changing requirements, technology advancements, or team dynamics. By combining their expertise and perspectives, the software architect and project manager can make informed decisions about the technical stack, ensuring that the project is built on a solid foundation for success. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the very end. I truly hope you got something valuable out of this. And before you click away, if you enjoy this, hit that like button, it really helps. Tell me what you thought in the comments below, maybe even share this with a friend who might appreciate it. And of course, if you want to catch the next video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.